Now, you were in probate administration back in 2008, 9 to 10 when there were short sales. And so, that's an interesting place to navigate because the equity limitation limits perhaps or puts pressure on the attorney's fees, puts pressure on the commissions, puts pressure on the deal. Did you see short sales being done in probate court where there was a nominal amount of money for the families, or did you find those too hard to do and you passed? I know some were done. And I also know the judges hated them because it was a lot of work for very little money for the estate.
Yeah. So I have done a number of probate short sale. Okay. So in a probate short sale, you must get full authority.
Yeah.
Okay? So if you have a deal on the table, it's going to be a short sale. Or you have a deal where there's not too much equity in it, you must demand that it be full authority. If you don't have full authority, your short sale is not going to go through. Okay. Yeah, and so having said that, when you are doing a probate short sale, you have to make sure that, hey, mom died, there are 3 children. Make sure that all 3 of them understand that this is a short sale, and in a short sale, the word short really means short, So the money's going to be short. There's nothing going to you. It's going to be short. Maybe the investor who's buying this can say, you know what, I'm going to be a good guy. I'm going to step up. I'm going to cover the court filing fees. And you know what? Because I'm a seasoned investor, maybe I'm going to do this and this. I think I can cover myself. I may give you $5 grand each, for example, where it makes and pay the attorney's fee. So that this way, the judge can go, yeah, well, there's some value to this. It would have been lost in foreclosure, except for this seasoned investor who's picking it up, who knows how. Maybe this investor has done investing for so long. Maybe the investor, instead of spending 150 grand and fixing it up, maybe he's able to do it for 90 because he just got much more better than.
Right.
Yeah, in every single field, there's always the 80-20 rule, right? You're gonna have 20 of the investors out there who makes 80% of the money because they're good at it, So yeah, if you can structure in such a way where the judge goes, yeah, it's gonna go out in foreclosure. Yeah, the investor is doing this, and the investor is squeezing, actually some juice out of this rock, And so, okay, and so it makes it kind of on up and up.
Right.
Yeah.
So Tara asked, what's the advantage of a short sale versus foreclosure? And I think Paul answered that, which is in a short sale, at least the estate will end up with some money, $5,000, $10,000. There has to be enough in there for them to be worth their time. And also the judge has to see that you're going to have a tough time getting it through, I think, without that. So
yeah. Who asked that question?
Tara was her name, I think.
Yeah, Tara. Yeah. So she's asking, what is the advantage in the short sale versus foreclosure, right?
Correct.
Okay, Tara, you know the neighborhood so well, Tara. You could do great thing with that house, Tara, you happens to, because in a foreclosure, it's going to be up for auction. It's got auction, the highest bidder gets it. So for probate short sale, Tara, you love that house. You might pay a little more for it, give the children something. You're going to keep that house long term because it's in a great area, Tara. So there's different factor involved, and maybe this particular house means more to you as an investor, Tara, than 99 other investors out there.